programu eri karato tebi iguru yobuya bweritoke obuya bwe beetroot amo nobuya bwegetunga kamariogo yeke Gusii gose yemete yekienyeji ekagara bono tukaigwana na daktari nga ekere demand ya bere okura somanchu murigereria ende nero kurigereria tigato mokorerebo igo bono twachire gaiga tukwanire iguru yeritoke ngo chitoli kumanya neritoke libese neritoke litobu gose neritoke kwa jumla tumanyanga mbuyaki litoke libwate ase medicinal value igo bono nakitwa umeranire bono iga tukwanire iguru yechindagire cyo isato ende nakicibwate chinguru cyo kurubo gwenya uchiase emibere yaito igo bono tobaise gosuka enero Ndizi TV obwansu bo Gusii abana intukuro bono iga waikekera tugukura umurubirio bwerituko lya lero nyora ni gotoli na Dr. Omworokia Motondi Mosumari korwase skuru ya Tenacious Herbal Clinic naboigo kurwa Tenacious Herbal College naboigo Tenacious Herbal Clinic oyo wachigotomanyia mangi gonye kubwata libolyo linde lyonse nyakubwata ibolyo linde lyonse ki afya lireta wochagega se studio gweterase namba yesimi eyera se TV yao na otoralia se mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital abon Facebook na wego Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube goto bese kutugomagega ego onyatora igorere TV yao ye igorere egerto sange asobwamo asengenchene topiki osene kerenga kere kiengencho ase emibere yaito gose ase afya igo bano tobese gosuka kabamo na intwe goikomwele karibu sana daktari amono Mworokia
biyamana Sara biyamana baligereri baito naenda bategereri naende bwakire buya omwana no tuwereire twere naenda se studio ya Ndizi TV gocha kwegera biyamana Sara rero nabeke birore amora kumiga kirana na nabeka amaiso jinsa jinde njira gochia ararete shida gete kidogo lakini rende ntwegene tenga wetera chindagire chicheke nyeji ntomaite chiri okolia maisarra kabisa chikaro tingo chako kuchichi nyinge ala friend tomanya kogendera lera singenchwe demand kora somanchu moligereria agateba ngatebi daktari tukwanire igoro yeritoke timanya neritoke tukora chakera usene beetroot usene getunguo abo togo chakera nonyene ritoke because Sara abuna twale kuna kwegera igoro yechindagera the healing foods eto anyara chinga gichi nyinge nga nkoli toli chindagera asoko igota asoko ba yani asengenche nchara lakini asengenche research na confirmation na mangana toko na konyara asoko egera mono twanyere chindagera chinonye tokolia igo chire ndagera na ende chire eliogo bono abande mbale babole tinga litoke rende because oinyore engake eliende twakwana igoro yelipera una lichaire tukakuwa negoro ibirangweti lakini abange bairanire in fact ya sama pera especially abanafunzi balia tokoro kialia college unabono mbaligeretie unabono Roselyn na chetekoligereli sana kina Emily kina Masimba kina Pastor Ben they like watching this no you know Madam Principal Cyprus kina Cecilia they watch this una wanafunzi wetu na Principal Madam Cecilia ama na Festus we still appreciate you
Principal Mbiyale Festus
biya vale kabisa
tukaberenera samutuka magalera abolete
yes he may come lakini still ntobwate na Madam Principal Cyprus she's also there as co-assist principal Bono asenga nchoko bolia ba minto baboletie igoto chukwa negoro yeli toke itoke Sara abantu mbanjita litoke especially litoke liyekire liyekuya litoke kare liyikiruya libe kwesupuya libe kwegetungu buya libe kwesupuya tumati Sara nomba yetiko litoke mate litoke ndi wate supu yae
supu ya ndo mago beka kayara kanyere
and actually izuko beka eyarale that is a pilipili rende it's very nice litoke kare liyekire liwata a lot of starch starch yo matakara ya sero mubere egonchorwa ya so abona energy ya produce chingurwa so mubere bono litoke buna bono chinse chinde buna bono Uganda diet teyo onye koromoge ni gwengencho litoke naliyo gochakera kero kwa iru litoko kumanyanga kwa ikira soboge ni buruguya no mugusire no mate ne chinsaga ne mbulie karo ya rosibwe
no basonso to byega
nero liago manyo ikire sabali so actually litoke ngochi tori kwegera nga ne ndagirere and it is very medicinal
For example, as a Gusii, by the way, studio itambole ko Ndizi.
Ndizi trocha matoka.
So, the properties yeri toke na ende bude studio ite ko Ndizi TV na ende buno Gusii anjeteli toke ne studio ko Ndizi actually inero yagerete guchina enda wa request iyo eka ingiriana via because of Ndizi TV. Ono litoke ligekara lya rosigu ya Sara. It contains a lot of starch. Ekero monta alira koigota normally. Litoke na boliko ligu ne chindagira chinde. For example, na boko linenyama, na boko linengoko, you can eat na chapati of course na onyere starch. It is palatable. Na beko yana ne chindagira chinde. Litoke na boko lukanie carrot and you can eat normally. Litoke na boko beke nyanyi chai isaine amone kitungu and it can be so nice. So we eat as food.
Okay.
Igo motegere no moligerelie etoko litoke unendagira. Balende ekero to kuri toke kuika tunyole the rule of 3
producer ne onte yabekire kabisa tinge tonki ya limera ago chata nyerorere alipera agora battery toke na lili mwantu mwendera set TV yao tu yaito agora yara Miami lakini producer ngo chara tonyirekere na litokororeka ko bike bintu korwa sense moyende ye studio iko bana litoke lira bwese screen yao alire very green andokora nengo nche andora
actually into bati jitoka litulike Gusii iligalie ke Gusii I'll talk about it kidogo ilirieto original by the way into bati litoka liumo Gusii litoke kero liko enda any other part of the country una bono nonye Kenya liko nonye mbama itenga litoke Gusii iliaru Sara we are good producers ba matoke otherwise nani tatu kwandira ninga nonye na bana siasa baitu for sure because baire bagote bangango to abale industry ya matoke amatoke can produce other products amatoke na bago to sabuni amatoke na bago to bintu biribigo karanguga crisps amatoke can produce even oil all right so ragina tabanga amatoka Gusii na very special in a way kera akuye kwa ekera go to bigwa it is very nice. I don't remember Sarah was saying your childhood nkwa etobo kuma ulire litoke.
I do it even now.
Even now.
No bono iga yani no bomo ndoku ariko ora kere chinyini chikorugulito.
Yes, even me I do. Actually litoke na bomo ndoku aweleta matoke kabisa na ya 20 go 50 obeke mesa muareke muri litoke munywa mache and then you are done. So litoke it is paramount. Ekerere litobu nekerere liyekire na ekero no nyana masaba is very paramount. For example, Sarah, now preparation yeli toke. Ntaraga na design of values. Itoko maita na bogo sabura. And then you yeke ora ori kawaida. Have you ever tried? Wana wateba Sarah, kotema. Okenyili toke Like na masabo.
Yeah, na masabo. Then you mix your machere.
Yes, you mix your machere. Okay. O mix carrot, chibuche. Oh, moligeri ito na ino motegere. Lere to tayo ko challenge.
Yes.
Oligeri itoke. Oli sibibu ya. Alafu wale to mo yo muoge. Okate piece ebinyerere okate age alafu okenye piece ebinyerere seba igoro okenye ebinyerere na masabo and then obeka mafuta and then obeke chinyanya chia okarange kawaida alafu mulechi carrot amafuta okora karanga sa mafuta umanye ko umura chinyanya umulechi carrot ukune kobeka na mafuta ne chinyanya otigeri kabisa like you know amasabo ali go disappear
akotira
akoma bunoboba.
Yes.
So it is very nice. And by the way, basically talking enche iyo we add it is design of values. Amoneli talk liria wana bande ba to inyura inga na masabo kuli ayo manyenge ndeli talk okoraki that is a wonderful way of preparation yeli talk liito. And especially karoli asaire ndabono iligo kolega asie nyinge so nyenkwanda koliri toke ngenche iyo
ndote mumwansi mulige
wiki egocha you can give us a feedback na botora irori na ende mudanga kyokolero maybe as we conclude
iko no mwansi muligereria nkayora nyora mangananga bunaiga onyetali Ndizi TV ekubwaterana na Tenacious Herbal College na Tenacious Herbal Clinic wetera so munyagitari obwe birengo beigoro kigima korwa Dr. Mworokia Motondi Mosumari okoera bye igaselugeri okoera gendo teme bunate birigo achoto feedback next week ritko lia Jumaine tutaragenda mangana medicinal value amonto na takegoteba mbaro bagotenga igona yekali toke obuhorera toke ndrogo ya litara konga borongerike gosena sengenjo enchara bane mbaro batali kwenyara bya kwanyaranga keningi yakoroseria bana oreta litoke lirirere ndiro lindi bwate anything gosogonyaranga ndira
okay litoke lirirere of course ngiraika nabora ora liri pera lirere gosoli toke lirere anyway kira fruit gosekera chinyeni nchibwate developmental stages bono ekarolitaraika gochiko saburwa nabo kolionchora bono oliri asengenche twate bono ejege karolitaraika likonge
okona cha
bono lakini eli nalibalirere oli sekunda na chana masabo it is even the best eli gochikoba okolia buna masaba yu ndi konga mono okay buna liri gochikoba libe buna lidia li gochiko lia kongire lakini tara konga mono is the best for that. However, eligalirere it's also the what be design of value eyingo chikoeresera egikaega kekorubono because ingo chikoeresera litoke buna likoliegwa karoli yekirwe ekaroli koyegwa likoliegulire litobu naende karoli bese epoda yes buna epoda
ono alafu naende entonge nalo tebatumete si nebire obe nembaro bakuyeka namasabo barombali bakubiri namasabo
okay
omonto
good actually even engenchenge yokoliri toke sara nabora abetoyeka lakini okay nabora abetoli sabra I mean lakini uri yeke buna rideigo it's a wonderful way of cooking so ntobwato koli ko nacha ntobwato ko yeka buna rideigo ntobwato go sabora na ende ntobwato koli ritobu so ekero monta ko yeka na go sabora ekero ko rusire ngozi eri esiko normally to ko rusina ende peelings jiri cheime mateka ko rusire sabora isiko ebintu mbiro bigo tigara buna chiusi all right chiusi chiri na chiokoli yes to bese ko rusi I mean the black part tojo kwasa we talk the black part alafu le anere gotigara kurume okorangire raf erine rokori
chiusi jira kondo rusiga
oh no you don't remove them biriya tuliko birusia birigo bire good roughage karobia sere in the system bire good roughage na ndembi bwate chemical component ya yego chia so in the system engia sana itochi ukwana shortly yes so it's good to eat it like that
asante
yes
biamono mwancho mulile gendra gutume feedback gose comment ya wetera se number yesimi eyo era se tv yao gose nigere 0792192834 na bogo tonyorase online ya Ndizi TV News Digital no turalia live weke comment ya ororo ninche kwa nyasoma se keke kirebusio na bogo YouTube na bogo tonyorabuna Ndizi TV News na bogo to voice kweba go subscribe and Ndizi TV asense video ya YouTube na inu ni medhe mubwade YouTube ya Tenacious Herbal College na naboko ba
so I may give them maybe I can refer on my booklet here as a Facebook yaito you can always get it from Tenacious Herbal College was the Tenacious College na website yaito is tenaciousherbalcollege.co.ke you can always get that from there
bia mono sana na into tugwe bagotonyora se website yaito ya www.ndizitv.or.ke indocho Fredo Nduko agoteba kurwa vitale suneka na sikiliza poa sana gotia daktari anatusemeza vizuri sana bia mono sana Fred Onuko na kurwa Facebook ni ndoche Boniface Isaboke agoteba watching live from Mititi Kodera Homa Bay County agoteba na wapata loud and clear asante aswali mogane to machi jumbe to siekero reisuko wana karotu wa kwanire gore eli toke li bese li toke okolina chali toke ogotobia bono inchwango tororenga what is their medicinal value as a mebere
bono li toke enate beli bwate starch na ende karoli atobire igoli bwate glucose yani sukari bono anto bwate sucrose glucose yani component yechi sukari so igona karoli atobire so karoli taratoba igolire starch keroli yekiro na boli wate starch area lakini digo to babono ya change into some levels of sugars now ekeroli tokeria to bire igoli bwate a mineral ose component e ku potassium potassium igere very nice mineral as a system y'omubere bw'omuntu and in fact potassium nerega neire nyinga so mubere than even any other mineral okay, other minerals can be there like magnesium some iron and zinc lakini magnesium is very important take a look at it talk maybe abane nabara boli before I forget abane nabara bolinga actually what's the normal amount of bananas you can take per day? So that is always very important. However, in na roche kale sara bantu akora mashindano yokolia matoke. Muntu abegeta matoke. Yes. Abegeto teru no yonde ngabono yogotanga na ngabono bakora betting. Lakini that is not it. Alibone bali ku west endagereria. Amatokora alie per day or per meal abwate the mineral that we need, of course potassium. Igara aba matoke 3 to 5. 3 to 5 bananas are ripen esa isingia. If you eat 3 of them, no tali mange, then you get the amount of potassium that you need. Now, ekera mineral ekoruku potassium actually asili itoke na lile number 3 next to dates and apple. Na lile bwate potassium ire igoro. Yes.
Lile number 3.
And number 3 in the whole fruits family in the world. So we are advantaged to go to our itoke. So potassium is very good. Potassium ekerere in the system ige neutralize sodium.
Okay.
Sodium aseluga nyororo nelinga maitu mubiri tutakiri gutwara. Tutakiri gutwara echumbie nyinge tiganto to merubi echumbie nyinge in the system. Kere chumbie ro sara. You can always know. Ekero bwa monta bwate high blood pressure, kusabwate complication, ekera bwate arthritis, ekera bwate gout, igagote reduce echumbi. Okay, gusaba ndebate bugendo lichinda igera chibwate echumbi echigachire very normal. Lakini ekeroko litoke eliko neutralize, yani neutralization means yani ekogere echumbi eli ali guchikoleta disturbance y'omubere yaira ni bunse that's a good term. Yaba suppressed alafu potassium level yakina eyire very strong aso kubeka power in the system. For example, ekarato bwate enough potassium in the system. Oma ite nkore ko igubuya. Enkoro the heart, the muscles of the heart. Ige gutwara a lot of required energy. No nyina waka manyinge waka buya. Karato bwate potassium.
Yes.
Alafu sara emekia. You see, litoke really works minerals chaye work mostly on the nerves. Emekia tokorokanga the arteries. So in the first case, to atevering a potassium, egotoka asili itoke, litoke number 3 in the whole world. It works the best. Na ende nalete topic yeye, asegi njotole Ndizi TV, na ende toro mugusio gwata litoke. So yes, we need to understand our product.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mbe mona sana. Yani nga potassium ego neutralize sodium. Sodium ne chumbi.
A mineral, a component ye chumbi. Like the salts in our system. Omaito mubiro tutagiri gutwara chumbi nyinge. All right? Igogondere gutwara other minerals chinyinge chire naturally productive. Unabona tugene gutwara chi supplement chinyingo ward into the system. That is why actually Sarah konye tokwegelinga libagali gotumia chi supplement chire processed mbi yakoli chinda gire chiga tubwate normally erinde chichigotokonya libago montora abe obwate condition igochikoleta other complications libaga kangotwali chinda gira tubwate naturally chigochigotokonya na system.
Igo in the other words buna na temere go kuigwa timete muligele na kya kuigure with this potassium maso mubere it helps reduce even blood pressure. Blood pressure iga through arteries ichwata yawe mikia segeje manyinga ngwetaro ngwakari kuru enkoro go chasemeki igo ngane litoke wethera potassium ndike the high blood pressure.
Exactly. You know, potassium works directly in the nerves and in the heart and in the circulatory system. The circulatory system meminati amanyinga inchira gwetana na buna actually sarabuna whatever amanyinga gwetana na ikama goronse ayanda chapaka seviara amanyinga agenda paka sobongo bono potassium igeko igoremekia potassium igeko igoremekia twara chinguru aso ko receive aso gwetia amanyinga na ko receive na ko eliminate impurities waste products ineme kimanya wakole gasi yo. So when you eat the toke it really assists emekie ito na enkoro na manyinga wetana na so mubere to be very strong and to be very comfortable and to protect against heart attack. Heart attack. You seem to what chishida chinyingi chienkoro heart attack with heart failure uigusa zingine cardiac arrest. Very good. Also myocardial attacks, angina attacks. So at least shida yenkoro Sarah. That's what I mean. If to security talk because you mugusi no what talk lakini again to go to get the information. That is why Tenacious College, actually in relation to Ndizi TV, unalenga risko kwa sababu nangweta people really appreciating Sarah because unaona abantu mu batali toke tutikapata maitinga ekera akuli igaga nyetencha lemwe beka gakiri toke iriko yani beka kayenja for the sake of yenja but if we can get it in medicinal value of it then we can be very okay. So you gonna tell emeki amo nenkoro unaona nate banga circulatory disorder it really assists the potassium was say minerals chirichigo toka as a litoke it works very well. Yes,
hani go the ordinary ndizi
maybe I can also classify them. Ndubata litoke lyo Gusii litoke lito litoke lito akaroli atobire libuate potassium nyingi sana ili yetu ya kawaida na bokoliyeka na ende nabo okolitobia na ende nabo okolilibese so Gusii gose buna tutegerete yoko Ndizi TV and actually I wanted to add value to this station Ndizi, the value of Ndizi so Gusii, the value of Ndizi asokonia, the of Ndizi asokolema. And by the way, do you know ngano ene litoke ligi maneli yokolire? I saw in the past my grandfather ekero montagne weta maru too much. All right? Bakaenda bagaka litoke amacha yaka ruoro bakamwakanywa. And this person became normal. But I'm yet to find out more on that particular research. So litoke maybe I'll come to explain the medicinal value litoke ligima. Ibisi chabiaye it's a value. Omotori pakemeli yaye it's medicinal.
Pake kwirende ntueva enkondo. Litoke liga egentokeligia
it's also medicinal.
Tokoro ke enkondo timayanga abagusio tubwate chiluga tofauti.
Lakini dina enkondo. Enkondo anyway. So it is all medicinal to the roots. Okay. Which I cannot speak in Tanyara kwa na wano because one twale kwa na igori litoke lito but litoke ligi mapaka igo korugoro paka anse igori eliogori giya sana.
Ekarotu akwanire igoro ya reduce high blood pressure ibo buno burweire obo mobwabo litoke ligokonya gwetera potassium mwili yae. Na kero kende bono na incho bunda amanye gosenda agesi onte bigaiga ngonyorore kero umuntu usenende kumuruma usanabwate alisas onte umudere ngatabora litoke elio sabora kaririro kimanyanga igo bono ngukonya ritual in other words.
Okay. Good. I really appreciate that because no rare gocha and actually Sarah, thank you. Chiroko boli ego support via. Now, litoke if you add it with the apple, all right? Litoke o maintain apple. Apple to nyimanyiti. Apple na very red, apple na very green, na very yellow. Apple, apples. So montana bara bolinga I said 3 apples, which is the best.
Yeah.
But all are the best. However, if you legal purple, na red, it's even excellent. Like in your own see, they have equal properties. One when we were talking about apple amoneli toke oisekuli mix olirosibune juice in the blender aso omonto okuminyoka all right omonto okuminyoka goso mwana okuminyoka it is very good it stops diarrhea almost immediately so igona tabanga omonto isekorosie juice ye apple
nelitoke hapo na raya.
Yes, those are the apples. I wish I were
purple like and red.
Exactly. So this is the one. Good. Thank you,
producer.
Producer, I got to call you. So these are the ones I'm talking about.
You are a TV au mwanchu muligani mede TV mwanchu muligani I know roche amatunda yito kwanira gabo are so beautiful and so
very nice. So amatunda yegana tokruka apple na ende apple aselugende kurukunga the king of the fruits. Yani nero mfalme wa matunda. So if you can mix Sarah, oisikoleta the apple.
Yes.
Alafu mix ne matoke di tokorosie juice. Yes. This is very important. Aso monto gominyoka. Ekidaliki usiekia. Nabo monto monene nabo mwana, especially aso mwana, especially abaiga bake, okonyora maybe babwate those complications chienda, maybe akwekera kugenda isiko ni kama mucus hivi. Ikimtayarishia hiyo
kama mirima
ukimtayarishia hiyo okuminyoka okwega okoera tari hiyo ni ndizi
litoke
ne apple alafu unakoboria nelinga ki akero muntu abwate complications in the stomach unabono totebe nabwate ulcers nabwate gases in the stomach maybe tumbo inanguruma nabwate constipation all right unabono this side ya constipation Sarah if somebody aisikobwata constipation I think
constipation wana sikigusiye theri ya mbolire
constipation
nekiongoleka gosengi
igego chiaba kekuriere sa kongwa sikigusire kini tigandi eresa seluga yeke gusina mo motegereria gosomorigereria konyara komanya ekero muntu akoenda isiko turogirende isiko nekigusi ekera akogenda isiko isikenene okonyora abwato bokongu yes abwato bokongu sana anasumbuka sana all right lakini
aisekulia ngana macho taliko nywa maji
yes and actually water is inclusive and actually Sarah as a digestive system asogo sienda geranda amache narago kole sabali iyo inse so of course yo monto tiganywa macha mange so ekero montato etiku eliminate a condition ya constipation go soko enda isikuko igogo kongu aise konyora epopo li popo sekusi aise konyora neli toka li tobu aburukania rosi juice is the best is the best because yeliwe kanda it's very soft potassium nero ne popo nero igwate minerals chiaye it is to digest peristaltic movement yenda it's easier naenda karo yekire it helps to eliminate naenda nywa macha mange lakini amacha le warm usually kero to kunywa mache baligere baito onye tobetire irimo no kunywa macha makendu kanywa macha le warm and especially mambia kanywa macha le warm abande tobata maybe 8 glasses a day or say 12 glasses a day igonta tekwa devisinga talingo kubwata mache no mototote nganda I want to finish my 12 glasses
12 glasses
no nabuko nywa mache mambia onywe or ayande you can take in form of juices right lakini the larger component asa macha igo asendagere yokolia amache narara mange so I advising kanywa macha le warm most of the time because ya mache amakendo most of the time chinga kichinyinge igako injure the stomach it injures the stomach I wanted to remind our listeners
mbuya mono ase okubainyolinga amache is a major
yes amache aro have the habit of taking water because umubere ama igobwata macha mange obonge bogotaka macha mange nonyena maiso igagotaka macha mange all parts even the skin our skin to be moistened we need a lot of a lot of water
igonto ganya erangeri umuntu amanye gusaba jo abantu mbaro taikunywa macha ovyo
ekero mubere ogo demand for water then you are punishing igo kwanyo punish so mobere to demand for water so sara kwa bolinga ki ekero monta bwate Chelsea.
Yeah.
All right? Ekero monta bwate Chelsea chinyinge gosa a lot of gases. Na riri itoke na endonyo kuriria. Iga kuriri in which form?
Yeah.
Good. So umurigereria actually una tukwegeria college yetu Sara. You know, information tokoletaga is sponsored by our college.
Yeah,
Tenacious Herbal College. And actually squeezing go to increase to mentally legal yake Sara. To mentally other courses.
Okay.
Chikosi Chonspi. So Herbal is part of that small course as a chikosi jiriti nyinge because demand ya yabo. Unaona ntubwate computer studies, human resource management, textiles and industry, ntubwate hairdressing, ntubwate massage, ntubwate physiotherapies, ntubwate I've spoken about massage, ntubwate hydrotherapy, ntubwate all these courses chiko ba offered from TVET colleges. Karongo kwa na students in Maiwete. So we invite you. So Herbal School is one of the classes as a virasi birie binge bigo toke college because the students are coming. To expand it, to extend it. Twin Towers, by the way. We are in Twin Towers, second floor. No akerogo so atuli geta malika manene Tenacious College. In for admission. The admission is ongoing. As a course in the yons. Come, then you register yourself, you start and attend classes, then other students are in class. So, nara itoko gilsara in our college inga key. When you have those ulcers, because in general, mwalimu teneta has herbal department, herbal therapies, herbs. By the way, what we do there, Sarah, maybe for your information and the listener, we study a plant, all right? Kuruemeli. Because ikaraba gake bakabungiri meteria babeka para. Ora noche Sara. Abande baleta mato babeke street. That is not it. Because ngakiora beke amate street monto yotara kune meteria because ekaro study motego iko study meli or study the bark or study the leaves or study the flowers or study the fruits na inde the chemical component egotoka so mote. So it's not a question and the dosage because yabante batanga onyoke buyuke gima. In Tenacious College, we study and we give the right dosage. Igona lira ko inviting most people about to ready no nyamba liwa go produce ba go practicing herbalist keranto bata ba gusiba ito babwata malioba yabuya ba go practice but still we invite them kuna bande ba chiroro they are enjoying. I'm telling you the truth, Sarah.
Ekaromwa mentrichi course ya daktari. Echichi nyinde mwa mentrichi nyinge.
Yes.
Abaro kibara bumbaro bari enough.
The teachers are there and actually when I talk mente course we put an advert and other the teachers are coming. Actually one of neka to abikirichi advert go say to achakire other courses into what technical teachers abange bago choro they have applied une course yego chaka omwalimu na already
Twange advert ya Ndizi TV ga yo kaba mwa karachi ko simoje mona tachi nyinge ko chimotwe.
Good. I think next time I'll bring it.
Abali mumbaganirie barokimbaganirie Tenacious.
Yeah, actually we still say no mwalimu ndo what qualifications as a technical issues when ejinata yabaka to what activate they understand because if you are a teacher we understand still na wako in contact with us because students are coming mtoliko visa you come you apply nekaro apply mborina masakara ago kwa igas then you start working na students na barova join then we want competency omuntu kwegelia any other course we kabe competent amasakara yakwane na students bako competent na let us come back to the topic
tuira na set topic yo mancho murigelia tuara siraka sinencho abuono akoba and no bakubika information yose ucha sabarokia ile togo sangana emegaiga ntware ngenga litoke ndibwe ni Chelsea and itoke kineri tobu ni bese
now litoke because me I do a lot of research. I do study hard because tintatiko tena busibu abana ndole kane ntabwati information because omwalimu muya use student yengiya you don't get satisfied in the information you bwate you keep on searching we can't reach the information you have so naginata banga the information I have even the latest ulcers some levels of ulcer. That's what I'm saying. Some levels of ulcer can be treated well nearly toke. Then how do you prepare it? Because they want to get the content of it. Now, ogo sabura litoke, oli butulirike like, oli weka somu asuli ome.
Okay.
Sidio Sara, diome, bune bituma.
Okay.
All right? Ekero diomire bune bituma, you can take ntoma tiji kono. Igen tukelige osene kono ekoro.
Kono ekoro kwa.
Oli yake biya libe powder. Ekero litoke ligali abaire powder, ola etege chunchugo, then you filter it. Powder chense.
Okay.
All right? Because tuligo chikonyu na dirego. After powder ya chirense, my dear listener, because I'm talking about Litoke and the information which I have, and I've said some levels. Because all ulcers, some levels,
extreme,
yes, the extreme cases for extreme cases, very extreme, we invite you to the clinic. Because we have our big clinic there. Dr. Joel Omayo is there with other doctors, a very competent man in herbal medicine, in fact very competent. Anyway, Sarah, maybe one day, now we're talking about to capture our clinic, and the manner we do it, normally you're going to get herbs, kavisa buna chire med, buna toko sesi abaroire baito, and the way we give the right medicine. Testimony surely our clinic is working wonders, and it's working in a great way. So, Litoke, after making the powder, you scoop, you mix with the water or porridge. Erongolio mix te twara sukari.
Okay.
Useka kunywera mache, unywa mache ale warm. And then you take it normally. Toliko boil, toliko cook, toliko beka chumbi, toliko beka sukari. You take it in an empty stomach. Now you take it chidaike meronge tato utarali kende. Yes, it is excellent.
It's excellent. So kuwene some levels cha
ulcers, lakini ulcers in general, lakini when you are very extreme, it can be handled in another manner. Because I cannot have extreme, Sarah. Abande maroro ya very extreme. Okonya most of the time. Ekera kulienda gira koroka. Ago vomit even blood. Abande bako and ba develop anemia. They become anemic. Maita abande bale bago ikera to an extreme where no nyene kera ko and hacha area nene. Okonya already full of what? Full of blood. So those extremes, they can come to our clinic, and there is a very good medication levels to Koruaro.
What I got daktari?
Yes.
Gochenga tokora enda somo timoka kenkolige nonyena mache asiba. Ekero tokwira na togenderere ndo chanto mbagana tokolika chi ujumbe mbaro bagende tukobolia mabolio tuchoko yaligeria senchira yobikirano na inde ngwate bagoro ya tenacious motoro kibuna mariago mobegete producer ondenga ngotobekera ari advati yumwancho muligeria orore asiba gokorera emirimo yabo tobetse gukuminga ki tenacious yeyenga yekare ntunyibwatega Ndizi TV tobetse gusuka ngwira na tole asegekeke kiribosyo enero Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi.
Good.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi. Enyagitari ya Tenacious Herbal Center nigo bakurwalia gutumika maryogo yemete amarwiri buna asthma, arthritis gusukubimba kwa maboko n'amaguru, fibroids, diabetes gusuburwiri bw'isukari, cancer chonsi, libido obuboro burwiri bw'ikinguru cy'abasacha, high blood pressure gukeyo bulito bw'umubiri, amarwiri yerisangwa, chi allergy, gastritis, fistula, bronchitis, epilepsy, ulcers, insomnia na yanda mange.
Kimashini cheito gochi gukorigere cyoka nduto koereza bunurwarite wata tebina yiga buna boti bikorara gabu ngoigundo bobe igabu gentu gete na gentu gete ngokorekana kiri ekaro twanyorre twakurira tokonyora umurwiri oyo atakire gukora massage ntubwate bitanda bya massage ntubwata abanyagitari bakora massage.
na boku mwakire simi omu director bwini gitari yo Dr. Joel Umayo ase namba enoti sano ibere isano nemo kianda ibere inya isano gosomuri kere email gochia info@tenaciousherbal.co.ke Waigo na boku batarira ase nsemo ya Kisii yogo ase barai kugenda Nyamira enyumba ya uraiti Tenacious Herbal Center ubugweni uregene
interview nchiri chiarenge chiobwari muchiare kolikwa
mbona after kuwa wenire 3 weeks
after na wenire 3 weeks later ngotebanga tigaga kinga apply nabo ngochaka kobno no monto no tinda bangurumono nkobu ngende nkore nganko boka korwe ngochigota chance kanyoro kuguro komo gukolio insa kobimbete kwa lokiri nkori ko move
kai.
It was so painful Sara tu kunyana ngota chance
Bosaigo margo bagwaswete buri
embi yana renge kai wana ngukura rende nkuanza kukura kiagera na mpororo sana wana mama rena ria minyogete enga kiju Sara nare korara mbono mwanega mama nganyiti guchi nyumba yae sengencho bono baro chenga na Kenya rire bono na ende muntu tayo rankonya butu Unangaranze tabu ngote mama umuntu yukungusu kugoronya kurunyaro ningo kaki umuntu ngusiro kugoro chimaga nganza kugwa mama akambwaterera isikabu ekero narenge akambwaterera unambwaterete Sara okugoro koli kwa chite nango chimaga gogatigara kobayigo okugoro kwane gwoko beya bono koli gwoko lidero chikwaro siri bono kugwoko bego keringa iga riru likabuatana bono kuguru kabanko likorambuka nkaba bono tinko nyara ko tara tingo kora kende no gukonde nakara kweko bali
kubwatekana nobonie boito bwige kigetambe asense mu yibinto byugo tumikistima nigo ya enekigubuna nigo kubinyora imiyeduke yemo ya light tower aserigurianse nasobwamo nigo tubwate chitayabuna colored lead light ebirobu bya fluorescent fittings snake lights chandelier lights downlighter security lights na motion sensor lights boigo tubwate assorted garden lights conduits fitting sockets industrial sockets na insulator switches neji socket chichingincho chonsi boigo tubwate chi ceiling fitting chi cable au meter boxes switch boxes, chief fuse, circuit breaker, conductors, earth rods, consumer boards, power extensions, fridge guards, showers, na lamp holders. Boigo, ngo supply bare ime ya Nyamira, Migori, Kilgoris, Homa Bay, Kisii, nechize mochieta naine. Na bogo tutarira ime yomo Kisii, asamagacho a old Sansora building, angenegete sini kanene gechigari. Gosio to akirisime, ase namba, enoti sano na ibere yemo, Nyamira kabire, enoti sano nemo, gose, enoti sano na inye noti, isano nemo isano nesato, enoti, eyemo isato. Light Tower, your one-stop shop for lighting and electrical fitting. Ndizi TV, Ubwansu, Gusii.
mono nainde omwancho muligereria oli obugendete kubwati omurubiri obwe chinse chiga story na daktari Motondi Mosumari kurwa senyagitari ya Tenacious Herbal College ne nyagitari ya Tenacious Herbal Clinic abwasto obugendete gukwanira iguro ya the healing foods kwachindagira chiri chibwate faida yeriogo asumubira na bogo chiria koigota kurende nchibwate medicinal value karoto kwanire litoke obuya bwayo bonge twarorere nkuwenya bole even cancer litoke ndibwenya cancer even asthma to some extent muntu narore gotebanga anyore litoke buya na bali gokonya ne nabana bakebale bwate chide cyo kweyana
because of the potassium levels
because of the potassium levels yakoroto kwanire litoke igo timedu tuatigire kende magega daktari tuatigire kende magega se litoke bole
litoke asande ntaito kwana ndeli litoke litobu abantu barokonyora babwate amagoronse wamekatika katika ngakiona kurukwa
mangere go samagasi
amagasi lakini ayande narakwenda pakaru amanyinga what you can do it's very simple go treat amagasi ntaito kuruchinsa mangeisa toiga chugo treat one osibie okugoronse pi abantu enata bali bakonyenyaka za zingine barupaka amanyinga ogosibie okugorobuya kero gwasibiri nechumi na machari liberera you wipe it clean and then ore to apply eliogeri gali ku Dettol Dettol is a good one lastly ore te litoke litobu you apply osigekerie asokoro
all right
osigekerie osigekeri kabisa gusonye tokonyora litoke litobu nabokore tonye na masabo ali ru abantu balira masabo ali ekuru ali asabo iruga and then you rub asokoro and then within a very short time it has got the powers to heal amangere oko heal because it can be a slow process lakini after a month you find yourself ukugorokorogo terere kuri very clean no nyembali abantu bali bande ba okunga guchigota chance igunga chipini echiro and so forth koigwe byagaso you can put amagoro in hot water cold macha gusamba kwabeka macha se amakendu ayagusamba amakendu ayagusamba amakendu and then finally you rub litoko gusigekeria onye kesi kikira advanced you can apply grease lakini grease should not be greasy grease kegage kekiroli ekikiroli geko bekwa segali onye kesi gi advanced mono konyenyeka kuroko nene and the treatment ya sinyire can apply that alternate osibia na Dettol waka osigikerie toke gose sazingine osigikerie kelisi alternatively go this person will definitely recover igone litoke
alafu naende igone kora santo oli bagusabuka magoro konyora sabugita magoro na magurara aumete na bokusibi konyora bugita
ebisanye especially akonyora ko amagocho
nandako
akoraboka koruse naende kwaro nene bia agosabuka round kwanyora naenda magocho akuroro sometimes cause a lot of pain they make a difference yani to make it about into genda go treat arthritis ntoje go treat onyoro lakini nata bukuguru gutabwati onyoro lakini ama magasiaro naenda korwe ngozi ago peel it is the best medicine asama gora go peel na yanda bwata magasi munayo
esengenjo echinga kitotete tolengana ni ako bantu lichikuirorera nande enkwane yiga ntete togenda se beetroot asogwango kolende ndochenga abantu mbara bagendete kulika asante sana lishabikiri nene onyoni ene lishabikiri nene sana lia Ndizi TV na boigo lishabikiri Tenacious Herbal College na Tenacious Herbal Clinic kore jinse mochi abo basi akotabanga abantu abange boli mbarualete kwani mongino lio korkonere Teresa onyoni kore jinse mochi abo basi mbia bono sana ande mbia asogoso ime ya Ndizi TV nanya bukwe iwasege kitambe kore ndembia asokulika comment yao wetrasi namba yesimi nindoche Linet Moruabe kore jinse mochi nyaboterere agoteba kwanya sana daktari na ende mumbole lienga litoke lilio konyora lire overripened uselia tobiriri etanirie kerengo mbakalia okore bono ndirikala itoko guchikusabrega kwaranga na machi igalire liro lindi bwate kenda somubere gose igoli ya over ya tobiriri etaniri ndiko konya monta somubero Linet Moruabe okobolia agotebiga asingia sana as daktari nindo Cheruben makoli kora chinsa mocha suneka agotaba tuko ndani gotia daktari Sara gasingia no munyagitari Ndizi TV chibicha ni gochire chinda buse chingia asante sana koro chinsemo chia suneka Divina Murakoro wa chinsemo chia Nyamarambe agoteba congratulations ase omunyagitari no mwalimu ito ogototebia mange ngana kitogenete komenya kiafya. Tunampongeza na Mungu aendelee kumbariki. Mbia sana Divina. Jeffrey Onyancha naye na akorera kurota baka agoteba maigeria mayakegi Ndizi TV obachenu mambo yote. Onye tobu atibo chenu boisaine tokunyara gukora kindi gionsi gekosekera urumo rweire. Mbia mono Jeffrey Onyancha na Lydia Kuruachin semo Chiogembo nera goteba Sara Homsi. Mbia mono sana Lydia nimekuona. Mbia mono soko endera kubwatia omorobele Kuruogemba goteba na wakilisha kila hoteli hapa ni Ndizi TV. Anene kuruase hoteli ya Nick asante. Bia mara gendra gotobwatia abuna onka andege ndrago tune Ndizi TV nero wansu bomusi iraneria Linet oyoboli toke karolia tobire too much.
Okay, thank you Linet. Mbia bali mwespi mwatomire ujumbe tunashukuru sana. Ekero mogotegera na ene mogwa kachisimi you also encourage us that baminto motegerete asokonyora ubwansu bomugusi korwa sensema ya afya. Bueno, maybe ngira nalio yugoboria litoke kerolia beira overripen of course igobono ngusarikali igoche lakini ritara ikele beliriko ba mache magega yaye that amount of yesukari ereime it's so nice na bande mbaboli commentrabu of course bono nda tegotengali erigiri gosareka but it is good koliria ritara ikerele beyo now amatoke naro konyora Sara atobete the same level amatoka aramaya ntategote abono iga ase studio amatoka aramaya na amatoka atobire lakini abwate some patches yokorangite tiko black iga amatoke naragotoba uniform chinyanya chiatoba uniform normally in normal circumstances nyanya nchiri gotoba ralimo it is very normal itoke ndiri gotoba ralimo ebiga bintu binde mbiri bigotobigine chemical totally ko encourage bitumike so litoke libwate some patches yani karoli atobiro koronge libwate bintu gete bingo na black and white kiasi asogotoba kole nomo elina litoke ko encourage litumike than li accelerated yani lilasimishire gotoba libetereire gotoba nengencho naro chima gukora ale gotobiri itoke ale koleta litoke olibanga segatongo biya oreta matu emenyabuga amato emenyabuga okuneka biya gosemeroka olibike gatunga dia take 3 to 4 days dia toba muguru ziri toka regete very smart so igo tutaite koira na sogoto biya matoke engencheri engiya na inde twali rosi biya litoke liategete I want to talk about that litoka konyora abarugete is not all the best because already igo konyoranga some bacterial infection chia soira sama toka alia tagwen tia gotumika
litoke lirigia na bolinge liga okay teatraganya kengo chalirendo chenga likonako elio mancho bolirira ase TV yao na lielingagerete omo eli buneli
yes some patches like this this is the best
this is the best
this is the best yani litoko konyora litobete biya yani digwadimaya libate some black spots biya
na lieli mancho bolirira ase TV yao okorange lire brown
brown
yellow litoka
ligwadimaya ligia bakobote bwandi
elieli nderendo konyora litobete tu
liga actually those are accelerated yani abetereri gotoba that's not the best
nara yubado manchu muligereria abekirwe ase TV yawo gabo ali abetereri yani atobete bwati any badge nara ya chireda
you see that bono you can see thank you amatoke nara ko betereri gwa alazimishire gotoba but ali abwati some black spots is the best very natural so maybe we will come
useka genda iga konyora tabwati any badges gotarato baike
gosetarato baike you are right tarato no chimna yega bono ekarato vire maybe agochigotwara some black spots it shows you no nyine this one sugar content inside ya tobire yaikire now potassium has been enriched ya tobire now is ready for use
totigerera daktari tokendo chenga atruk John Kebati
brother Kebati thank you
producer ito asega singiendo che Victor Mondo nere otebanwara sumorobele kulinda kwani abantu abanga bangu kwani Salome Onyoni by the way Vincent Mokwa Charles kwa mesa na Henry omache kurochense mochia nyangoso. Asante erike andochenga erike baraza nero gukwanirie agotebanga say hi to Motondi watching from Kisii Prison Hotel Kaspa na akina Omokulia, akina Sharon na askari wote wa Kisii Main Prison abaganda tukubati murubili bono mambia asante sana afande sa na wakurukuwa turejinse mocha Prison Main baganda tukubati murubili kurwase hoteli ya Sharon ikurukwanga Kasfa. Asante sana baba Sharon baicha y'abanyanyimbabu banakonywa egere balende abana inchi mbia mono sana kura Kisii Main Prison.
Sarah, maybe also we appreciate to appreciate our brothers in prison, abaskari na abasibu bali baro ninjoli na rekora and prisons
chinga
kichika.
You were speaker.
So
okay.
Ninjoli na rekora and prisons na randi alia saba sacha bali na bamura na anda saba subati rogoro. I appreciate all of you. You facilitated us so well. Asokora and chikambi Kisii Central Church chikambi chio mwakoyo. I appreciate you.
Asante sana yabo Elder Nyangara.
Yes.
Aba elders kurwa sekansa ya Kisii Central.
Yes.
Once pi ya
even Pastor George Morara, the coordinator. We appreciate you.
Mbia mono sana. Igokoro Kisii Main Prison tuagokira sokwendra kubwatia. Tolenda se beetroot.
Now a beetroot Sarah. Ne normally. Omoli yoyege karoko mera, igoko mera oro yomo na endonga bunalira bwoni. It is round. Ole bune sakoiga. Alafu kubeka matae tuliko kiena guchigoro. Unogosoka iga.
Ya karotoganye the producer tubekere aya na nchina ara kubekire amanju mulita korora kulende producer ngo tuligeriere.
Wonderful. Yeah. This is the beetroot. Actually it is so nice. So abande ntwaligete kwande beetroot sometimes bagateba ngambara nyore information buya they wish to understand igoroye beetroot more elinde ebakonye asamangana litwa kwanete so igobate ba maybe we finish the beetroot to kwana nege tunguo kidogo for asoko wind up on the healing foods. Now a beetroot yeye na bego simeke normally lakini I advise that taste makeru oboyo te bese ko simekeru oboyo because litunde liga karoli korunse lise ko twaro oboyo bonge it's already contamination. So tigali onye ligo simeku no oboyo lisimeku no oboyo dinari
singo tabunga nere yo mwanchu muligirelia erega bo ACTV yao beetroot yito twachakira kwanira bono iga ndochenga producer gonte onyibekiralie ACTV yo mwancho muligirelia.
Oh good.
Nere yibada.
Oh good. Thank you. Thank you. So beetroot nere yo and most of our brothers in Kisii town konyoni wale sana they like it lakini nataka mba konye ba understanding inkiye ko beetroot yeye it is so significant it is very important as ubugima bwaito Sarah beetroot aso gutumika kwa yenga kiye gutumika because into eresa lakini most of our people balia bategerere baita banchwa baga nitonyirore one a beetroot tulikunyeyeka igokonyerusia and you wash it clean okonye sibi kabisa erabese and then you cut into ebipande bike ekero kwa bibutoire ibipande bike
nerabo ebutoire like this one. Yera ACTV ya umwancho muligerelia ebutoire
so
ebipande bike bikokora
upando ubono bokoboke like that ebipande ibono you don't boil toliko bichemsha igoko bireta ubibeke asa macha agusamba ime you drop them in hot water,
you dip them
after dipping them you wait asa macha aliwe ikakende most of when we boil them ekartoko belie bintu binde mnawono the beet igotogo chitwa togo ke chinguru chio okora kwa yegasi so ekartoko beka asa macha agusamba ime togo deep inside actually whatever the extraction of the chemical component yakobangora na eko extracted slowly na and actually after kwenda macha ali akendire oise go PKPC elionyerete isko okonyora bono yarabire yani eko ba white in color some are white asing into the chemical component chiria kiatigera sa macha ime now this water is ready for use now umuntu nabara bolinga amachanga nangaki you can use a bit na bere bune nkundi ya the hand lakini oise go putole nusu yaye it can be equal to 4 glasses of water 4 to 6 glasses of water onye eine nusu and you make it into small pieces you dip in 4 glasses of water ekara wa dip it inside there na boko nyobone birasi nonye even 2 times 3 a day the what side effect anyway we have not yet gotten the toxin we can get from the beetroot, red beetroot it's not there
okay
lakini ndaliokoli too much anyway kere ndagera kere ryogo ndibwate kerengo
ndibwate dosage ya
so ekero kubeka asa macha ya gusamba make sure it's deep red it is deep dark red and dark yani ubeke ligwere nonye nekero kubeka glass okoligere likakoranga it is deep dark
kale
ndito It is red, it is and then you drink it. Na bora anchunyu once, lakini wase na woko ngora, you zip a mouthful, and then you swallow, mpaka finish 2 glasses. After taking that, it has been discovered. Buna ayatumekira and even researchers, even including myself.
Yes.
Na nyote ngekera omuntu agutumie beetroot ige accelerate production of blood cells from the bones.
Wow.
Right? Turocha moga na rakorosia manyinga.
Yes.
Wona kero muntu anyure beetroot abande nabara bolinga ki beetroot yeye ekaro kwa nyure nere gonchoka yaba manyinga.
Yeah, rokoba even the color.
Even the color.
Red,
it is red as blood. So the researchers say bunoko nyenyuga within a very short time accelerate amanyinga rosi kukurua se ya mauga ime and ko nyoro muntu bwata banyinga make amentra somobere the anemic condition yasira omuntu banomo.
Nakiyakogera majorly abantu abaiga banyodre accident, extreme accidents, lost a lot of blood.
Yes.
Okonyoranga kuika beetroot. Era ko likerumono.
Exactly.
Egerirani.
Yes.
The manyinga.
Echikuirani amanyinga. A beetroot has power to stimulate the bones and the bone marrow to produce a lot of blood. So I want to assist and say, actually, as much as we may thinking a beetroot will convert instantly yaba manyinga, it accelerates. Yani eko beka chingruwa mauga. Ego suguma amauga. Korosia manyinga bwango achiko replace amanyinga aliasirire and then we say it is anti-anemia. It is anti-anemic. Igo ekero monta wata anemia manyinga aramake a beetroot is always excellent for that.
Daktari.
Yes.
Ekere amanyinga ya beetroot yego chiko suguma production ya manyinga. Then it means nebwate some nutritional facts.
Exactly.
Toteviongo some few nutritional facts ejichiko gara amini components beetroot ebwate for formation. Yeah.
Actually, beetroot ebwate so many of them. Una bononto bwate there is niacin. There is carbohydrates, there is fiber also, there is phosphorus, there is potassium, there is several types of vitamin. Vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and all. In fact, it has got a lot of, like now I've said, magnesium and calcium. All these components, also in the system, it really accelerates the powers.
Even
zinc level for men, and actually that's a good reminder. And actually to say, our ladies, all right?
Yeah.
Our ladies. Ladies,
our ladies, me and you.
Yes, our ladies, I think we understand.
Yeah.
A beetroot is very important. Because we
lose blood.
We lose
a lot of blood every month.
I think it's they can get it even better.
Every month, women go through a process. So we lose blood. after every month.
Exactly.
You want a beetroot? It's very
so
best.
the beetroot should be the major component of iron production and acceleration, so commenta a replacement of the blood. Now, the best way, another thing, or a mentega Sarah, I say you mental very anemic, you say or lose whatever. And actually it goes beyond. Onye condition eye ko beyond abandon after na ende irora within a very short time
it reoccurs.
It reoccurs. And that maybe they don't even experience it at all. Please come to the clinic. There is simple medication, engia, even massage, and other conditions. Ekogera normality in the system, and you do very well.
Okay.
And I want to say, nonyembaliwa tevanirende ko kubarikiwa kwa tumbo zao, mbaba stressed up. I want to be honest on this. Enjoy your attendance as a herbal clinic. You meet Dr. Omayo. You meet me there. You meet other doctors. We'll advise you even more. Because the viewers barabange naende balengenche ibale so ekarogwa chira se clinic ose school International College 20 hours in Kisii na boto advice more on this because abande bale bakongagera chisimi usually guide them to the clinic so that baba advised more and for treatment. So as a condition ya anemia in any manner, okay, a beetroot alafu nyigotagete more powerful and ever strong. Now you add omototokoroke nettle, stinging nettle. Stinging nettle, yes. You only kwabikira much 4 glasses of hot water. Take ebichiko bibere via stinging nettle powder. Arafu mix ya samacha ya gusamba. It will do very well.
You got your body to what the very inchito ketanasha.
Yes, we have. Actually, I have. There is a component there. I only forgot, but I'm going to show you. Okay. We have those components. We have actually, let's say, tenacious Herbal Center. Bono tualetira marioga ya to 20 towers in Kisii. There is a very big pharmacy. Tuligetegora Herbal Pharmacy, tenacious. Ebwate clinic underground. Ebwata mariogo. In fact, herbs, chonspi. Narare chuba, narare chiliniment, naru kuyaka mauga, maongo watia, paka the headache, the conditions of the chest, respiratory conditions. Actually, we have there. No agenda bono the clinic is open. Na marioga ito igale asogwancha ni gomuguko.
Okay.
Aseli goldio muguko. The clinic is there bono iga 20 towers in Kisii. Ange na umoja building. Underground kabisa bunogo soiga ai clinic geito pharmacy no eregabu ebwata marioga mange including stinging nettle. Digo ligiya is not very expensive. So if you get that your mental say beetroot, it becomes very strong and you use it na in the condition ya neme jisioro lia note wati gumuvira and so forth ige koirani amanyinga normally no montage and back to business. Yes.
All right. Biamona sana munyagitali to se studio. Kero kende wakwanire mono asokubika beetroot ase glass kia maji ale moriro omane kunywa. Nchumuligire naro ere okorosi kusekera kwariga ni ndagira yae gosenege delika ya ukaranga era go ko incorporate ekwerende ya beetroot yae ase chindagira au you ero will it work gose like
it is good it's good. So actually kwa nginyo maybe we can naboto commenta a beetroot ase salad. Usually nabokolete beetroot onye menta ase cabbage even tomira biko igwana ne beetroot sana and this is a special juice. Okorete beetroot, oburukanie a cabbage, a beetroot, a cabbage. If you make the two of them, it's very wonderful salad which you can never take into your body. Again, to kendo comment on a beetroot, a cabbage, a carrot. The three of them, they are very palatable and they can treat so many conditions chile in the body echindo tamanyeti okuweno otalia wanga nkwarwale tokuwena. Especially Sarah, usoko blend now. If you blend the three, usoko blend ibinte bitato alafu ubeke kwanywa ase glass kwanyu normally it's very good. And actually this is what we teach in our Tenacious College. Na that's how people have come to heal and we teach them na ende kero monta agwendere they usually come na ende bareta abande bate bagwande study International College ase bakonyara right information
kuburukanire ende ndagira negetheri ase chingendo wakarangire kwabeke beetroot ya omaria
if you can get the beetroot bono gaige kero kuburukani chingende ekero kuburukani yoyo it's better to create
you create
mbora lioko rosio bosiri nyo bosiri
a small size
yes and then you mix ekero ndagerere sani you don't cook it oko mix ekerere sani it is even excellent
so creating ekero wa create to wacha komenta oburukani riko asende
no you don't cook it igoko buruka no je ndagera ekero kwa iyo ire and then you want to kobeke beetroot bono konye create enkenke you incorporate it asenda gereri ya rosiwe because it try to eliminate any man of cooking yes
bune dania omonto gukora basinda gero kama kubika
exactly
akora na roche somebody okoburukanie onyene kideri kyaye oko iye karia ukaranga kabisa umanya kunyibeka
ose no roche diri akarangire kabisa yikire amanya kuruta ime aoncho even twice atiga kegese tolichi daika ibere and then ya arusio without cooking
ono tora kwanira about selection na storage lakini ukora manyenga this is the best beetroot chuna bona nyoachire maybe nero konyolere mbaliri nero konyole muameteti okaga nenduma something like that ekarole chiro how do you select the best beetroot na ndi na kioko ye store or for example karona na changwa tabanga karoko na chenusu ngotigarere yende eyigana boko nyu up to 6 glasses how do I keep the remaining
so ekero kwa letre beetroot refresh I want to say get a polythene a
polythene bag
sakararia nylon yani nylon alafu beke beetroot ime onyesibe a beetroot can stay for long yes lakini se konye butura onyetige air exposed asembeo ego chaka go shrink the moisture content ego chaka go disappear yaso go shrink lakini ekerora nyore ya keire taringe ya salikire na macha arengeime a vibratory bono yagera ya chaka go care lakini still it can be used so the best way you go preserve a beetroot no konyereta ulige polythene bag onyebekeime it contains umate a polythene bag teli wanchira mache kurwa yani evaporation it controls evaporation so litunda lide ko anda ko strong na ndire ne chinguru now ekerogo select get the fresh one dire round buya litawate marks or spots and then if spots are there it can cause rotting so you select the best yes
alafu na ende producer ne ontainga neta gete kubeka abu ase screen ya umwanchu murigereria go so chibekire igo chiri chi type yellow ne karo by the way na bo chirigereri yellow nero whatever white something like that ingo kora chire mereme
good so in this case we have the radishes the beets, the white beets, of course the radishes and the beetroots and the red beet. So here we have the red beet, we have the white beet, we have the yellow beet, we have almost purple beet. Lakini rere tuwale kuanara about the red beet. The red beet. And of course, nare ayamu abo chi beetroot lakini akoroku radishes.
Eyo abekiro abo manchu murigeria TV yao the red beet.
The rare good. So our producer, thank you. Rere twalego kwanera the red beet. A beetroot. Chigachinde maybe we'll come to talk about them later.
We'll come back to kwanera yellow.
And then what the radishes which will come also to incorporate. In fact otachi etiko radish. Otara manye beetroot ne radish radish igere white na chiabe kwa lakini red beet igere dark red lakini the radish is equally good echichinde chire white is equally good but as a condition of anemia ne chinde to alkaline the body it's we talk about the red beet. Now Sarah, there is another substance again to kende kwende beetroot yako kwa. Now, in our body, and this is very important, asomo berebo monto, acid, it's alkalinity, ewene teko baigoro. Bono ekero chia acid chire chinyinge in the body na kieko roko igu monta bwate chia acid enda umubiro ko mwatia arosete ana joto jingi akoigwa go burn in the stomach umubiro bwata maumifu amange. For example, tigambe example gesini ni acid acidity level. Toi ubu kemambio minyoke nkwana kuminyoka. Okay? Alafu ominyoke ogucha kuigwa maumifu wono. Chinyamba muscles ya wate, that is the acidity levels. Chigo accumulate in the system. Acidity can bring arthritis. Acidity can bring biara kubimba, bia magoro. Acidity. You see a condition like that. Acidity na boko nyoro bimbe to mubere abnormally. Kero mubere ole too acidic. Oko nyoro bata mumifu atali kwaera. In the body. No pimwa, moro ta quality. Tayo. So, ntate wa device asengenche ya a beetroot ige kolo wa the acidity level in the system.
Okay.
Kabiso mubiro mugima yes nandu kuigu fresh. Oise kunywa the beetroot even for 3 days or 4 the acidity level chia acid so mubiro mugime chigokea. It comes down. Ekaro chia chirense. Now you feel good. Now what happens? The beetroot eliminate uric acids. Elie will accumulate in the system.
Yes.
And then you pass it out in the form of HNK, in the form of urine, in the form of other forms. Go say sweat, okay? Even through sweat. And then kwaru the acidity level, the uric acid sharing over, and then liver kwaru to go to ali mechane menge yoko bimba maru, yoko bimba magoro, yoko swellia magoko, you develop arthritis, you become fresh.
Wow.
Acidity level yake you remain strong, and this one whatever in the beginning, Sarah, your immunity level comes up, and then you go to Koruania Morwaire in a very strong way. And Sarah, it has been discovered that the beetroot works against cancer cells. Yes.
Okay.
Ekero mubirore alkaline. Yani ekero tokwa na acid chitayo. And by the way no matenga cancer cells chigo takasi acidire. Mubirore acidic. No chigo takajia develop.
Okay.
Right? Muna bono monto kunyu sukari nyingi, I'm sorry to say. Monto kunyu sukari nyingi, monto kulia ebintu sweets chire chinyingi, okulia ebintu bire sugary, okunyu ebintu binge the acidity the cancer cells bono obune fertilizer obuno obuoyo Tomato Sarah, you're getting me. If we like taking a lot of sugar, esukari roma iteliko meta kende.
Asima ita bange toko nyelewa buna acids ne chumbi nyinge amune chindimu. So when you are saying esukari nyinge ntu twaka na nchena akagirenga ikobone cancer cells iko chikonyora kende nkiyo juu because of the sugars. Iko sugars na ichi chicho kachabasi.
Okay, akero mubiro bata a lot of sugars. Unabona chisukari chitokoli. You know, I usually talk about natural sugars. Ichitoko nyoro kurwa sendagera. Ichige chire palatable. Na ende chiko va digested slowly, chira adaptable to the body. Na ende it works normally in our system. Lakini akero tokoli accelerated sugars. Yani synthetics. Ichiga chire manufactured. Ichinde refined sugars. Sarah. Imate sukari nere received from the plant directly ekaba purified. Liba goko nyelia so mosi eburuka ina mache na other components intutwanye purify yaba too pure no nyene kereko land into our stomach equaxirated chia acid commenta so mubere.
All right.
That's what I mean.
Okay.
So ekeroto konya kunywe bintu bibwata a lot of sugars, we help our body to develop acidity level yagenda iguru. Actually I've not said Antonio sukari. But when we take it, we don't take it a lot because it is sweet. We, after all, it is sweet in the tongue and bitter in the body. So, ekero to me at the beetroot, it alkalines. It lowers the acidity level and you become very strong, and then you protect yourself against those conditions which I've already mentioned. Yes. Asante,
Nara okobolianga, my elbows are paining. Is that a sign of arthritis? Some pains. Is this a sign of arthritis?
The elbows, maybe in that some signs of arthritis. It's actually swellings. Maybe if you can swell, joint, can swell, and they very painful, of course painful. Maybe na boko nyara because wago bend, usamaru, na boko nyara ko bimba, some parts of it ekarogo kuna it's very painful but then in a nutshell yani asugenge ntuta tiko conclude nga kere pain egotoka as a joint is arthritis. Yeah. It could be a lie. I want to advise na wako na nyagitari because go confirm arthritis is also confirmed easily in the hospital, especially if you come to Tenacious Herbal clinic. Within a very short time, within a span of 20 to 15 minutes, navoko manya condition ya wasenera arthritis, it's caused by arthritis or not arthritis. Because navora nyole watu omerete, gosoka overwork, gosoka overstretch your hand, gosonyere both sides na maru and other parts. Then we may say it's arthritis, but mbiya confirm. Through a checkup.
Nichi joint choke.
Yes.
Asante na rovole tigoronga epitrut na nya arabeke free. Mbuya go sembobe akaro ko singe chinsa cheto akiche.
To putting the kobeke kwerende beetroot ya safe fridge it's okay. You preserve it. It's a good preservative. And then akaro ko nyurusiororo make sure you don't take it when it is too cold. And I want to advise chindagera chinde chonsi okolia motegereri no liondigerete this morning. I want to advise chindagera okolia nchiba too cold than the body temperature. Nchiba too cold. Unabono there are liquids to okonywa. Okonywa chinde chire too cold for the teeth. Too cold. No nyina kirogo tinimbo kigaiga it affects okuigubu kendo kabisa it affects even the lungs. So I'm saying walimokonyo bintu bire too cold always understanding akali endagera ekona ne temperature yo mobere to oshtu mobere watch go cause some nerves to shrink especially around the heart watch go disturb the system. By the way abande bale ba konyo kara banyole cold chire cold akonyora go soanga why? Because even though we are caused instant coldness wana ago cough chilange chigo cough go produce heat.
Okay.
Because of friction, elinde chiro back to go back to normal lemon operation.
Bia mano daktari.
Yes.
Ndo chenga tupigira hapo.
Ono akego maybe to inform them. Asogo to ikira through my phone number.
Yeah,
Sarah.
Yes.
Is 0715 0715 025 922 0715 025 922. As a Facebook yaito goto ikera is Tenacious Herbal College go se Tenacious College na bogoto ikera a website yaito is Tenacious Herbal College .co.ke wato ikerere.
Asante.
Thank you.
Mbia mono naro iranire feedback agotawe turmeric elikuwa motawe tineri tunda no boke na macha muliro nigagendete komokonya kima. Asante sana se feedback.
Thank you.
Tigatukirabo nende tumirane wiki ego chali tukolia Jumaine. Mbia mono sokuligeria Ndizi TV na Robans bo Gusii morobeli bo bachenu karatwalenge na daktari Motondi Mosumari ko Tenacious Herbal Clinic na Tenacious Herbal College aigaso muchibo sungu gendra ko beme Ndizi TV njeni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangyo ntita na kuganirie otwaro buligereria burubia oliona kiamalio gine chibicha kanyana mwebire nigakoro kwa John Kebati no lito batera nako masomo robuli mugima nigakoro kwa Brighton Makoli.
Good. Thank you.